What if the most powerful gym in the world has been attached to your body your entire life and nobody told you how to use it? That gym is called calisthenics. No membership, no machines, no waiting for equipment, just your body, gravity, and the right knowledge. Most people spend years searching for the perfect program, the perfect gym, the perfect moment to start. They never find it, because it was never out there. It was always in here. This is the complete beginner calisthenics workout, built on science, requiring nothing but your body, starting right now. Exercise 1. Push-ups. In the year 2019, a research team at Harvard Medical School published a finding that shocked the fitness world. They had tracked 1,100 men for a decade, measuring one simple thing: how many push-ups each man could perform. What they found changed how the scientific community thought about bodyweight training forever. Men who could complete more than 40 push-ups had a 96% lower risk of cardiovascular disease compared to men who could do fewer than 10. Not a fitness result. A survival result. The push-up is the most complete upper body movement the human body can perform without equipment. In one motion, it trains your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core. It builds pushing strength. It develops total body tension. It tests your ability to create and maintain structural rigidity from head to heel. And most people have never done a single correct one. Here is what correct looks like. Hands placed slightly wider than shoulder width, fingers forward. Your body forms one perfectly straight line from head, spine, hips to heels. Brace your core as hard as you can. Squeeze your glutes. Lock everything in. Lower your chest toward the floor. Elbows travel at 45 degrees from your torso, not flared out wide, not pinned tight to your ribs. 45 degrees is the position that protects your shoulders and maximizes muscle activation simultaneously. Chest reaches 1 inch from the floor. Then you press back up with complete control. Cannot perform a full push-up yet? Drop to your knees. Maintain identical body alignment, same core tension, same elbow angle, same controlled descent. This is not a beginner version, this is the foundation version. Every elite calisthenics athlete started exactly here. 3 sets, 8 to 12 reps, 60 seconds rest between sets. Form over everything. Always. Exercise 2. Bodyweight squats. Before chairs existed, humans squatted, not as an exercise, as a way of life. Anthropological studies of pre-industrial populations show that deep squatting was the default resting position for our entire species for most of human history. Children do it naturally. Elderly people in non-chair cultures maintain it into their 80s. Then the modern world gave us chairs and took away one of the most fundamental movement patterns the human body owns. Decades of sitting have tightened hip flexors, disabled glutes, and collapsed ankle mobility in most adults. The squat, a movement your body was designed to perform effortlessly, has become something most people cannot do correctly. Getting it back is not optional, it is essential. Research in the Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research confirms that bodyweight squats produce sufficient activation of the quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes to drive genuine strength adaptation in untrained individuals. Your body weight alone is enough to begin building real leg strength. Right now. Today. Here is the correct execution. Stand with feet shoulder width apart, toes pointed slightly outward between 15 and 30 degrees, arms extended forward for balance. Initiate the movement by pushing your hips back first, then bend at the knees, lower until your thighs are parallel with the floor. Chest remains tall and upright throughout. Knees track directly over your toes. Heels stay completely flat on the ground from start to finish. Drive through your heels to return to standing. Squeeze your glutes firmly at the top of every single rep. Heels lifting off the floor? That is restricted ankle mobility. 3 sets, 12 to 15 reps, 60 seconds rest between sets, depth and control, never speed. Exercise 3. Dead hang. In 2015, researchers in Japan published a study that quietly became one of the most referenced papers in longevity science. They measured grip strength across thousands of adults. Then they waited. For years. What they found was striking. Grip strength was a stronger predictor of all-cause mortality than systolic blood pressure, stronger than cholesterol levels, stronger than physical activity levels in general. The people with the strongest grip lived the longest, consistently, across every age group studied. Grip strength is not just a fitness measurement, it is a window into the structural health of your entire body. The dead hang builds it directly. And it does something else most people desperately need. It decompresses your spine. Every hour you spend sitting compresses your intervertebral discs. The weight of your upper body pressing down through your vertebrae hour after hour, day after day. Research published in the European Spine Journal confirmed that dead hanging creates measurable spinal decompression, actively reversing the compression that accumulates throughout your day. 1 exercise. Grip strength, shoulder stability, spinal decompression, all at once. Here is how to do it. Take hold of a pull-up bar with both hands, shoulder width apart, palms facing away from your body. Step off the ground and let your body hang completely, arms fully straight. Keep your shoulders active. Pull gently downward and back. Never allow them to collapse up toward your ears. A collapsed shoulder position under load creates unnecessary impingement stress on the joint. Breathe slowly. Stay fully relaxed everywhere except your grip and your shoulders. 3 sets, 20 to 30-second holds. 90 seconds rest between sets. Progress towards 60 seconds over the coming weeks. The day 60 seconds feels easy. You are ready to begin pull-ups. Hang, breathe, build. Exercise 4. Hollow body. Hold. There is a position that every Olympic gymnast must master before they are permitted to learn anything else. Before the rings, before the bars, before the vault, before any of it they learn this. The hollow body hold. It looks deceptively simple. You lie on your back and hold a shape. No movement, no weight. Just your body against gravity. And it is one of the hardest things a beginner will attempt in this entire program, because it does not train your surface abdominals. It trains the deep stabilizing system, the transverse abdominis, the multifidus, the muscles that wrap around your spine and create the kind of core rigidity that holds your entire body together under load. Research in the Journal of Orthopedic and Sports Physical Therapy found that deep core stabilization training reduces injury risk and dramatically improves force transfer across all movement patterns. In simple terms, every push-up you do, every squat, every hang, power is either transferred efficiently through a rigid core or leaked through a weak one. This exercise seals the leak permanently. Here is the correct position. Lie flat on your back, arms extended straight overhead, legs out long. Now press your lower back into the floor, not slightly, firmly. This single point of contact is the entire exercise. Without it, nothing else matters. Keeping that lower back contact, lift your shoulders off the floor. Raise your legs to approximately 30 degrees. Point your toes. Arms stay overhead or move forward alongside your body if the overhead position breaks your lower back contact. Hold the position. Breathe. Do not let your lower back rise. The instant it rises, stop. Rest completely, reset, begin again. Duration means nothing here. Precision means everything. 3 sets, 15 to 20-second holds, 60 seconds rest between sets. Add 5 seconds each week as your precision improves. Master this single exercise and every other movement in this program becomes stronger, immediately. The strongest version of you is not something you build toward. It is something you uncover one session at a time. Drop a comment below. Tell me where you are starting from. I read every single one. And if you want more science-backed training that actually works, you know where to find me. Now go use the gym you were born with.